guys, it's your girl LaCosta here. Welcome to my channel, Lady Gaston Plans. Well, here on this channel, we do all things related to planning, productivity, and creativity. And if that's something that interests you, I hope that you will stick around to the end of this video and subscribe to my channel. Hey you guys, I am back. Today we are doing a decorate with me in my on-the-go planner that I purchased from Dollar Tree for the week of April 11th through April 17th. This is Resurrection Week, and we are in full spring mood here in Alabama, but I am not decorating this planner related to the season. I'm just going to do a simple black and white spread. And also I have changed the covers for my planner. This is the mini size planner cover from Happy Planner. The other one I'm going to give to my sister because I had another Dollar Tree planner that I wasn't using, and she can use that as she is on the go with her lifestyle, with her children's schedule and everything. So I did change the planner cover, and I think I like this one better because I do like this color, and I like that little quote that's on there, plan a happy life, because that's what I'm trying to do. So if you like to see how I create my decorative spread for the upcoming week, stay tuned to this video. All right, you guys, I am back. So let me show you what stickers I will be using in this decorative spread. I pulled out the black and white sticker book by the Happy Planner and the Modern Farmhouse, also by the Happy Planner. So I'm going to be using these two sticker books. I'm pulling the black and white florals out of this book, so that is why I grabbed this one. And I'm going to use one of the dolls from my Etsy shop. This is Miss Alyssa. And of course, I have my personal sticker book here that has all of my script fonts in it. So I will be pulling stickers from that. And I have, of course, my planner utensil bag, which I got something on it, so I'm gonna have to clean that up, but this is my planner utensil bag. So let's open up my planner for the planning week, and I'm just gonna leave it in the no, I'm not gonna leave it in here. I'm going to take it out, and there we go. So let's get to decorating. Okay, you guys, I think that's all I'm going to do for this particular spread. I didn't want to overpower the pages because the stickers are pretty big and everything, and I did want to put some type of floral in it. The other florals was just a tad bit too big, and I do have a lot to write in my on-the-go planner for it this week, because I do have quite a busy week. That is crooked, that ran into that crease. It's okay, I'm still gonna go with it, but I am glad that I was able to use my dolls, Miss Alyssa. As I mentioned earlier in the video, these dolls are from my Etsy shop, and they are still available. The link to my Etsy shop is located down in the description of this video. And I pulled out one of my teardrop paper clips that are also available in my Etsy shop to use as the black bookmark for this week. So when I open my planner up, I could just turn straight to this particular week that I will be writing in. So there you have it. This is my decorative spread for the week of April 11th through April the 17th. All right, you guys, if you like what you saw in this video, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up, as well as leave me a comment down there in the comment section. This is pretty simple, but like I said, I didn't want to overpower the page because I do have a lot to write in for this week. So I just want to leave myself some space to be able to write in it. Also, if you are not subscribed to my channel, I need you to hit that red subscribe button, as well as that little bell notification right next to it, so you won't miss out on any new videos that have been uploaded and ready for you to check out. Again, you guys, I say thank you so very much for catching this video, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye for now.